Hello, everybody. Welcome. And today is 31st of January 2024. This is the last day of January, and I'm going to make an update about my trading result in the month of January. I will show to you all my trading result that I made in January. So let's see, and let's go straight to my MT5 with IC market. If you see now my MT5 in the trading dashboard, that is I don't have any open position left, because if you watch my previous vlog, you saw that I have around seven open position, but now I already closed it all, and therefore I don't have any open position left. And now if we just go straight to my Excel spreadsheet, I'm just using my Excel spreadsheet because for me I just want try to make it as simple as possible. Okay. Ichimoku Training Journal 2024 month of January with the starting 5K. Okay. In January, I made 13 open positions, and this is considered average for me as a swing trading journal because, of course, as a swing trading journal, I not so often to see the opportunity, and I just trading. I just open position when the chart above 4 hours time frame above, and if you also swing trader like me, also you understand that being a swing trader, that the open position in 1 month maybe less than 20 open position. Okay, let's go straight to the spreadsheet. The first one that I took is ZAU or gold, ZAU USD. This is open, sell, and the close. Oh, sorry, I don't have the picture yet. Here, the close. Here, this is, sorry, the blue arrow. This I made mistake because I didn't make the screenshot for the close position. But anyway, back. If the result is $9, the second one is pound sterling, Australian dollar, one buy, and this is the result. I made $245. Sorry, excuse me. The third one is Australian New Zealand dollar, sell, and this is the result. The price hitting my stop loss, and I get minus $19. Okay, next is pound sterling, European euro, pound sterling dollar, sell, and this is the result. I made a $52 from this. Next is pound sterling, Japanese yen. Okay, buy here, and this is the result. So I made $256 from this. Next is USD, Japanese yen. Buy here, and this is the result. The result, the candle is set away, and then the candle closed inside the Kumako. That's why I decided to close it, and I got $107. The next is pound sterling, Canadian dollar. This is buy, and this is the result. Okay, the result, the candle sideways, upside down, red, green, and I decided to close it here. I get only $9 here. So next, pound sterling, Singaporean dollar, buy here. Look promising in the beginning, and the result is only get $6. Okay, next Australian US dollar, sell here, and the result unfortunately here the red arrow, and then I get stop loss hit. I get minus $50. Okay, next is USD Canadian dollar. Buy, and this is the result, $13. I decided to close this because, of course, just if you see the candle upside down, sideways, and the candle closing inside the Kumo cloud. So I get only $13 from this. And next is Australian US dollar. Sell, and this is the result. Sideways, sideways, sideways. The candle closed in the Kumo cloud, $45. Okay, this is the European Swiss franc buy here, and unlucky for me because I need to close this because the price is reversal, and in this area I close it, I get minus $53, and the last one is I get minus $33. So in for the total general 13 open position, I get profit $587. Okay, so the size position that I took, every single pair is zero point 0.1. Only ZAO USD Gold, I took 0.05 due to the high volatility. Okay, and $507, that is not bad. When I think that is the good start for the month of January. So that is for today for my blog. I hope that you can learn a little bit from my trading journal. If you have any question, please write your comment or ask your question in the comment section in the comment section under the sorry. Please write your comment if you have any question for me. So I'll do my best to answer it. Okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the month of February. See you.